Welcome to DG Technologies. My name is Mark Zakos. I'm the founder and president. Here at DG, we strive for customer service. Customers come first. So this video, I hope you get useful information and help you efficiently answer any questions you might have. If you need some further details about our products, please visit our website, www.dgtech.com, and enjoy the video. Thank you.
To download the latest DPA 5 drivers, let's start by opening the DG Technologies website located at www.dgtech.com. Let's navigate to the Downloads section, Resources, Downloads. Click on DPA Products. Scroll down the page. Latest version is version 4.01. Let's click the Download button. Save as. I normally save it to the Downloads folder. Open folder. Double click on the DPA 5 install file. Click on Install. Select Next, Next, Next. Make sure that's checked. Always trust software from DG Technologies. Select the Install button. I suggest registering your DPA 5 by filling out the information here, then selecting the Register button. Select Finish to complete the installation. We can verify the DPA 5 installation by opening up Adapter Validation tool. I have the DPA 5 Pro in my test setup. Select that, test connections, see some data population, some information going on here. Here we go. CAN channel 1, data there, data on CAN channel 2, also 1708. Here in the message window, we see that channel 1 and 2 both successful. 3 and 4, it's there, but I don't have any data on those channels. Therefore, DPA 5 installation success. If you're having an issue connecting, one good troubleshooting tool to try is the Device Manager. We can get to the Device Manager by Control Panel, System, Device Manager, and down here, USB Diagnostic Tools. If your computer sees the DPA 5 Pro, it should be listed here. That's a good sign. If not, please double check all connections. Thank you.